Keyboard penyai keri Bhoi College kawai na kisliam ai jing nang jing start kebala rim bat pau hapo keri Bhoi district menta ka kendai tarik unai lor kila yo ban rakhe ya ka Lyngkhuh Snem ka ba sao pho Snem ka jing yai lenti ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing start hapo ka district bat lingba kene ka jing rakhe la ken mau buram kerpang ru da ka ba ai buram ya u principal Nyngkong kene ka college u babu late RI Marshering Kumbala Paria Lingba Kijingkran Lampang Hakanega program Rake ya o Maumer ba Sao Posnem Kajing Yai Lenti Keri Bhoi College Bansam ya Kajing Nang Jing Start Bat Ban Pen Pernai ya Kalawai Kisamla Pule ya Kanega College la Astang Nyngkong ha Snem Khat Kendai Praposau Bat de Nadu Ute Snem ba Kumga College Kala Shakri Klem Kinbranden na Kijing Kibobon Balak ma da keyboard nang penyai Jong Kanega College Henry Ban Ying Scam Bay Triang Ban Pen Klein ya ujeli ke jing sam jing nang jing start Shaki Samla Pule kene ke district Bhoi. Lawan ban ai mensim bat ban kitbop kit ruang ya kene ke sengi kerpang ke Bhoi College dau ba Merrill Bonds MLA ke Nongpo constituency kumukong san ha ke jing don lang ru u principal college u EC Benny u ba RI Kensai Makdo ki bahayeng hasem jong u babu late RI Marshering ki professors ki Samla Pule kene ke college aba kren kumukong san u ba Merrill Bonds Nyngkong ula ai kublai kerpang ya kene ke sliam ai jing nang Stan kabala kamrim ha hapo keri Bhoi district kabala kinjo menta sha umamer basau posnem ha kajing shakri ban pen pernai ya ka pule puti ha pedang ki Samla Pule ke district
On the 40th Foundation Day of Bhoi College, how many of us will remember the contribution of late Sri R.I. Marshering, Bhoi How many will remember the contribution of Dr. Bedil Pan? How many will remember the contribution of Pak Rangan Sayan who's here? How many will remember the contribution of the family of Marshering? How many will remember the contribution of teachers, faculty members, those who have been retired, who has been through thick and thin? Which is very important, that recognition. Kajik itu kadai kebenaran kam hantu kata-kata. Kajik hai buram, patut. So that's why I am here today to remember this foundation. The foundation that has been built. We are so thankful to all the founder members, even though Balapang is not here. Thank you so much to him, Dr. Sai, and all the other members during that time. But Yalam, Babu Yalam, to his family member today, we are happy that his youngest daughter, she is here, the Fisha is in. Thank you so much, Police Boniti, taking the step with you, I did not senyap dari dari cakap contribution to Yo let's say kita sibun ki jingkeno Pyndonburom malah kata kalau ni yang kesal kalau ni yang kalau ni kalau ni ya para jangan ringan sih kita ini suatu contribution kepada ini kesal untuk kita ni publik dekat negeri semua. And we are not wrong to say that whatever contribution that Sri R.I. Masri, who hail from one of the village from eastern Bhoi, that is Kredek, who happened to be the principal of this college, and it stands like this today because of his contribution and the contribution of other personality who have been there through thick and thin in the journey of this beautiful institution that has been built in Nyngkong district. We wish all the best to all the present governing body, the present principal, the faculty member, all of you, and we hope that in days to come that we will see more and more students that we have here today. We hope that the legacy that has been built, you will carry forward. We're happy to listen to the song, one of the songs that is in Khasi, Kabaong, Kamay Lakhok, Kamay Lakhok. Kali-kali kabaran kam hadu kata-kata, especially in the present day generation, where we, as a youth of this country, there is a huge expectation from each and every one of you. Dear student, this is an opportunity where we discuss about the foundation of the college. Let us throw some light about the foundation of each and every one of you also. This is the place that you will build your foundation, right from your school time, now you are in college, in days to come in the university, and we hope to see that you will carry on whatever good things that you have, memories that you have from this college. One day